Apply themes. Themes add a professional look to your document. To add themes, select Design. At the left side, select Theme or you click on the drop-down arrow. Point a theme to preview how it will look. Then I choose Organic. I'll have to select the theme I want. And this is the theme I want to use. Now, find and replace text. To find and replace text, you have to go to Home, select Home. At the top right of the screen, select Replace. Click on Find Words. I have this file here because this is the last work I did. So I have to click on Access your document, which is right here. Access your document. Then we have to type access your document. Okay. Then we have to replace it with Design Now. For tomorrow. Or just Design Now. Replace all. Remember what we are replacing is Access your document. We're replacing it with Design Now. So replace all. We made one replacement in your selection. You say yes. All done. Say yes. Okay. Close. This is how to find and replace a text. Okay. And that will be all for today's teaching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.